Welcome to the product video for the Meaco DD8L desiccant dehumidifier. If you're looking for a dehumidifier to look after your boat, your caravan, your classic car, your workshop, your garage, your conservatory, or perhaps you're living in a smaller property like an apartment or a flat, then this could well be the right dehumidifier for you. This particular model won Which Best Buy in 2014 and 2015, the only desiccant dehumidifier to do so. The way the dehumidifier works, air comes in through the back of the machine, you've got a desiccant wheel inside there and a heater to regenerate it, and that's why the air that comes out of these machines is around about 10 to 12 degrees warmer than the air that goes in. And that's why it's so popular with people that want to use it in those cooler spaces. But because these desiccant dehumidifiers don't have a compressor, don't have the cooling coils, that's why they're lighter and quieter, because they don't have the rumble of that sort of compressor. Now, one of the things that customers ask us about is what happens when the tank is full. Well, it's very simple. The tank fills up, the machine turns itself off and waits for you to empty the tank. So no chance of any spillage or the machine overflowing all over your carpet. The tank has got a cover on it, so you're not going to spill the water when you go to pour it away. With this dehumidifier, you're more than likely going to leave it unattended in one of those applications that we spoke about. There is a hose that comes with the unit. Pop it in here, run it downhill, and the water will just drain away. In terms of living with the dehumidifier from day to day, very simple. On off, select your fan speed, select your humidity. On the Meaco product, we make that simple for you. Humidistat, go for the thumbs up option. That's the desired humidity that you'd want to achieve pretty much anywhere within Europe when you're using dehumidifiers. And then you've got your timer to turn the machine off. Very useful if you're using this to help dry your laundry. That's a very common application. All you've got to do to make sure you have a long life with the dehumidifier is just keep this filter clean. This is an antibacterial filter, so that's going to kill any bacteria that comes into contact with it. Just run the hoover over it at least once every 2 weeks. And that will ensure that the machine stays at optimum performance. The Meaco DD8L desiccant dehumidifier. If you ever have any problems with any Meaco product, then just come straight back to us as we're the manufacturer and we'll be delighted to look after you. Thank you for choosing Meaco.